put your refrigerator? The method is very easy. First, open the refrigerator door. Second, put the elephant in. Third, close the refrigerator door. The only thing I say is how it doesn't record whether the elephant can enter the refrigerator or not. So, the next question is, how do you put the horse in the refrigerator? Well, it's very easy. Open the refrigerator, put the horse in, close the refrigerator. Well, I swear, there's still elephant in the refrigerator. The correct answer is open the refrigerator, take out the elephant, put the horse in, close the refrigerator.